What if I told you that Jupiter is so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it? Its gravity is 24 times stronger than Earth's, and its storms have raged for centuries. But what if, just what if, Jupiter could one day become humanity's new home? Is it possible, or is this just a sci-fi dream? With Earth's population skyrocketing, resources dwindling, and climate change reshaping our world, we're in search of a second home. Mars has long been the favorite, but is Jupiter the real answer? Earth is changing, dramatically. Rising temperatures, vanishing fresh water, and an increasing population of 10 billion by 2050 force us to consider one big question. Where do we go next? Our top contenders? Mars and the Moon. But they aren't perfect. Mars has deadly radiation, extreme cold, and weak gravity. The Moon lacks an atmosphere and is lifelessly dry. Could we be missing a better candidate? What about Jupiter? The largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant, yes, but also the most powerful planetary system. What if we're looking in the wrong place? Not on Jupiter itself, but somewhere around it. Before we dream of living here, let's face the reality. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface to land on. And even if you could float in its clouds, you'd have to deal with 1. The atmosphere. Jupiter's air is mostly hydrogen and helium, no oxygen for us to breathe. It has ammonia storms, 400 miles per hour winds, and lightning 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. The pressure and gravity. If you tried to enter Jupiter, you'd be crushed by its pressure 1,000 times that of Earth's oceans before you ever found a solid core, if one even exists. Its gravity is so strong it would crush the human body instantly. 3. The radiation. Jupiter emits powerful radiation belts, lethal enough to fry unprotected astronauts in minutes. Living in Jupiter's atmosphere isn't just impossible, it's deadly. So, if we can't live on Jupiter, could we live around it? Jupiter has 95 moons, but 4 stand out: the Galilean moons. Each of them presents unique possibilities for future human colonies. Let's explore them. Europa, the ice world. Europa is one of the most exciting locations in our solar system. Why? Because beneath its icy crust, there's a massive liquid water ocean, twice the volume of all Earth's oceans combined. Scientists believe this ocean is kept warm by tidal heating. If life exists anywhere beyond Earth, Europa is a top contender. A human base could be built beneath the ice, protected from radiation. Imagine a world where we don't walk on land, but swim in deep alien waters. Could Europa be our first underwater city? Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system, bigger than Mercury, and it's the only moon with a magnetic field, offering some protection against Jupiter's deadly radiation. Its surface contains water ice, and there's evidence of a deep underground ocean. Scientists believe that if we could drill deep enough, we might find liquid water, a critical factor for survival. Could we terraform Ganymede into a self-sustaining colony? Callisto is perhaps our best bet for colonization. Unlike other moons, it's farther from Jupiter, meaning it's safe from extreme radiation. It has a stable surface, plenty of water ice, and NASA has even identified it as a potential site for future human missions. Could Callisto be the stepping stone for humanity's expansion beyond Earth? So, what would it take to actually live on one of these moons? Radiation protection. Using underground shelters, ice layers, or magnetic shields. Energy sources, nuclear reactors, or harnessing Jupiter's immense magnetic field. Gravity adjustments. Long-term human survival may require artificial gravity or adaptation. Sustainable food and water, hydroponic farms, recycling systems, and energy-efficient shelters. With these technologies, Jupiter's moons could become stepping stones for interplanetary civilization. For now, Earth remains our home. But as we look toward the future, it's clear that our destiny lies beyond. Whether it's Europa, Ganymede, or Callisto, Jupiter's system may hold the key to human survival in deep space. The question isn't just, can we do it? It's when will we? What do you think? Could humans one day thrive on Jupiter's moons? Or will we stick to Mars? Let us know in the comments.